How a drug is made. Biopharma value chain explained. New medicines don't just appear overnight. It takes years of work and many different teams to bring it to patients. This entire process is called the biopharma value chain. In this episode, we'll walk through each stage, from early research to the final sale. Understanding this flow is essential, whether you want to work in biopharma or just want to understand how the industry operates. The first stage is target identification. Scientists look for a biological target, usually a protein or gene, that is linked to a disease. The goal is to find a target the drug can act on. Next is drug candidate discovery. For small molecule drugs, researchers screen thousands of compounds to find ones that interact with the target. The best ones are called hits, and the most promising ones become leads. For biologics, this stage looks different. Instead of screening compounds, scientists design or select molecules, like antibodies, directly against the target. Before testing in humans, the drug goes through preclinical studies. These are laboratory and animal tests. They check if the drug is safe and effective enough to move to human trials. Clinical trials are tests in humans. These trials typically have 3 phases. Phase 1 checks safety. Phase 2 checks efficacy. Phase 3 confirms results in a larger group. This stage is the longest and most expensive. While clinical trials run, other teams work on formulation and process development. Formulation decides the final form of the drug: tablet, injection, or inhaler. Process development builds the system to manufacture it at scale. After successful trials, the company submits all data to a regulatory agency. In the US, that is the FDA. In Europe, it is the EMA. If approved, the drug can be brought to market. The final stage is sales and marketing. Sales teams work with doctors and hospitals. Marketing teams build awareness. The goal is to get the right medicine to the right patients. From target identification to the pharmacy shelf, this process takes an average of 10 to 15 years. And the success rate is low. Most drug candidates fail along the way. That is what makes biopharma a high-risk, high-return industry. So, to wrap up, the biopharma value chain has 7 key stages. Target identification, drug candidate discovery, preclinical studies, clinical trials, formulation and process development, regulatory approval, and sales and marketing. Each stage involves different teams, different skills, and different challenges. Together, they make one of the most complex and most important industries in the world. Key expressions. It takes years of work and many different teams to bring a drug to patients. The most promising candidates become leads. This stage is the longest and most expensive in the entire value chain. Company submits all data to a regulatory agency for approval. That is what makes biopharma a high-risk, high-return industry. Thank you for watching.